Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today's topic is digital marketing process or digital marketing strategy. How do you build a plan or a strategy or a process for a business in digital marketing? Okay, so what does that mean? For example, let's say tomorrow you get a client. Okay, so what is the plan you're going to make for their business to promote? Where are you going to promote? How do you decide what platforms to choose or what methods to choose to promote? There are many ways. There is organic, there is paid, social media, there is paid advertisements, and many things are there. How do you plan? How do you come up with a total strategy for that business? That is what we are going to learn today. So let's get started. First step in your digital marketing process is the research. Without research, I don't think you will be able to do better in digital marketing, because research is very important part of digital marketing, and if you're good at that, you're sorted in this career. So research about what? Let's say you get a client, you need to understand their business. You need to research about their business. You need to ask questions to a client. What is their business? How many sales they are getting? What is their marketing budget? How much they are willing to spend in future? What is cost of their product? Understanding each and every aspect. What channels are working right now for them? That comes into research. Second thing, researching about their audience. Who is their target audience? Who are they trying to reach? If they are trying to reach everybody, trust me, that might not work for a business. They have to be very laser focused, very specific in their target audience. You need to build out audience persona or your buyer's persona for them. Who is that ideal customer who is going to buy their product? So that is also going to be very important. Third thing, market research or competitive research. What are their competitors doing which is working for them? What is going on in the market? How the market is reacting towards such kind of product, similar kind of product. So that goes into research. That goes into all this domain of research, which is very important in digital marketing. Moving on to next one, then comes the planning. Once you have researched everything, now you plan. You plan for what the business needs. Do they need website? Do they need social media channels? Do they need advertising platforms? What content do they need? What messages do they need? What is going to be the campaign? How do you promote their product? That is going to be very important aspect. So in this process, you plan everything. How are you going to scale their business from where they are stuck at? Okay, that planning. What campaigns are you going to run? Which ads are you going to run? Okay, what organic channels are you going to use? So that comes into planning. That's the next step in digital marketing process. Let's come to next one. The third step is implementation. Now you have planned everything. Here comes you apply everything, you implement everything. So you planned, if they need a website, you create a website and implement. If you have planned they need social media channels, obviously you create social media channels here. You have planned, okay, so this is going to be the campaign structure for them. We are going to do guest blogging. We are going to do, this is what we are going to do in SEO. This is what we are going to do in ads. And this is what you're going to do in social media. You have planned everything in planning. Here is where you implement that. Here is where you create the ads. Here is where you set up the campaigns. Here is where you create the content for social media and post that content. You implement that strategy. So that comes into implementation. So this is very important step in digital marketing process. Let's move on to next one. The fourth step is measure. So you have implemented everything. Now it's time to measure. Like for example, you in the implementation stage, you started running ads. In measure, you measure how your ads are performing. Okay, so you spent 1,000 rupees, you got 1,000 rupees, or you got 1,200 rupees back, or you got 1,500 rupees back. So that is what you're going to be, how many clicks you have got, how many impressions you have got. Okay, so you did social media strategy, you went with the organic social media content. What was the reach of that content? How many people reached out to interacted with that content? Or guest blogging, you did guest blogging. how many people actually came through those guest blogs, how many people got to know about your brand from that guest blogs. That is going to be very, very important step in digital marketing process, which is a major thing. See, unless and until you measure something, you can't improve it. That was the problem in traditional marketing. In hoardings, in TVs, they could not measure who is watching their ads or watching their product. They could not measure it, so improvement was not an option there. Here we have this step of measuring. We know how many people have reached out to this ad, how many people have seen this ad. So this measurement or this analytics aspects is also very, very important in digital marketing. One of the very important step in digital marketing, because of which is digital marketing is booming, because we are able to measure it. Because channels are many, but digital marketing is the only field which helps you give this metric, which is measurement. Now let's move on to next step, which is optimize. You have measured now. Here is time to optimize things. What does that mean? So let's say you spent 1,000 rupees on ads and you got 1,200 rupees back. Okay, you made 200 rupees profit. Let's say that, let's assume that. Okay, now in optimization stage, what is going to be your strategy is that how can you make that 1,200 to 1,300 or to 1,500? How can you do that? How can you invest the same amount of money and get more out of the same amount of traffic? Let's say 1,000 people came onto website, but only 2 people bought. Next time, for the same amount of traffic, how can you make that 2 to 3 or 5 or 10? That is going to come under optimization. What changes are you going to do in your ads, in your ad copy, if you're running ads, or in your audience targeting in ads, or in your landing pages? What elements are you going to show there? Are you going to show the reviews of the people? Are you going to show a video of the product explaining everything about your product? Are you going to show those things? There are many factors which can help you optimize the conversion rates on the website as well, on the on the ads sites as well, on organic sites as well, social media sites as well. So this is also very, very important step in digital marketing, which is optimize. So this is another very important step in digital marketing. For this video, that's all. I'll meet you in another video. I have linked all the modules which we have created in the description below. You can check it out there. You can follow me on Instagram and ask your questions directly there. I would love to answer the questions. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yoxi.